Hi everybody, Vladimir here with you, and welcome to our weekly review of 29th of August and the first week of September. Alright, so I will start with some fantastic cross. I think it's British pound against the Canadian dollar. I talk about this pair for a few weeks now, and it looks like finally we have the beautiful and final confirmation. And take a look at this chart. As you can see, we have another double top. The first one was here, as you must remember, and we get this down move, right? And as for now, take a look, we have this fabulous and beautiful double top, and we have a bearish divergence right here and also on RSI. Actually, the last Friday day was a final confirmation for going short and sell this pair. As I can see it, we are about to see some powerful move, maybe even till this level. So 800 pips, 700 pips may look far, but and it's daily chart, so it will take some time, but some while. But it looks like we are going to these levels, and it will be trading this way. I think it will create some channel down until the next support line. I think it's great situation to sell. I by myself sold it on the previous bar. As you can see, it was inverted hammer. This pattern was inverted hammer. I talked about it also on my blog for a few weeks. I follow this pattern, and the stop loss, of course, above this resistance line, right here, close to one. It's around 165, 50, 60, something like that. The first target should be 1-to-1 ratio between the stop and the profit, and the second target with the 20% of the trade should be the next powerful support, which is right here. So as for now, it looks like we are going to see down move. This is the first trade I want to talk about because I think this is the best. And good luck for those of you who are in or who will join this trade. Alright, the next pair I want to talk about is the Canadian against the franc as well, the daily chart. You can see the previous week I talked about this support line, right? And we talked about potential divergence, and to get in the trade, to go long only when we have a bullish pattern, right? To sell it for short term and go long for long term when we have a bullish candle pattern on daily chart. As you can see here, only on Friday we got engulfing, and this is the bullish chart, so we got this down move close to 300 pips. It was a short period. I hope you enjoyed. I know you enjoyed because I got your emails. Thank you very much for these emails. And now it looks like we are sitting on this support line, as you can see here, right? Bullish daily divergence, which represent a potential bullish move right here, right? So we can expect a bullish move. But what do I want you to look for? Take a look. The previous move was not clear. It was up down, up down. It was up move, but it was built in a few waves. I believe this move will be the same, so don't worry about the short down moves that you will see during the uptrend. It will be something like that, up down, up down, up down, some channel maybe until the next point. Alright, so as for now, I believe we are going to be trading uptrend. Something we should remember, we have a resistance line here, so if it managed to break it, right, we will probably to go to next resistance and then to next resistance, which is there. I believe that the moving will be between the resistances. Alright, so you can enjoy it and take maybe short moves as if you want. Alright, so and now let's go for another interesting pairs. The euro against the British pound. Alright, take a look. This is a weekly chart. We have a bullish divergence. Alright, bullish divergence, and it looks like we are going up. How can we enter this trade? Take a look. We got the daily downtrend line. It was broken during Friday, right? Let it test the line again. Hopefully it will test it, and then you can go enter a trade, right? If it doesn't test it right now, so you can go to the next time frame down, lower time frame, okay? And the Bollinger Bands are beginning to open right now, right? Let it open, okay? Break this resistance line, right? You see this resistance line, right? Let it break it, correct, right? Like correct itself, and then from this point again and join and go up. It looks like we are going for serious up move on this pair for long term. Another one and beautiful one is dollar yen. You're right. Few weeks I look for this pair, right? And here we almost go. You see, almost in. We get this downtrend line. Wait until this line will be broken. When it is, right, when it closes above, you can join in. Stop loss below the last low, it will be big stop loss. Or you can wait until a daily chart closes above this resistance line, retrace to test the line, and then go long. And it looks like we are going for long term long move. Another pair, dollar against the Canadian franc, dollar against the franc, and few potential things I can see here. First of all, potential triple bottom with a bullish divergence. If it will be correct, I don't know, because it's a monthly chart, so we will follow it. And next situation I can see, it's a triangle right here, right? Again, with the bullish divergence, right? So somewhere from this point, I believe the dollar franc will raise up. I believe the final stop will be one level, or maybe 101 even. We go to daily chart, and what can we see? We can see actually a potential bullish divergence, right? So we should look for bullish signals to go in. If you want to take these signals, we should look for a stop on the weekly, as you can see here, on the weekly trend line right here, right? So somewhere in this, somewhere close to this levels, probably it will stop and then rise up. It will take some while, but look for long opportunities on this pair. About the euro, what can I say? The head and shoulders, you must remember this one, right? The head and shoulders is testing right now. I believe that we will, if this neckline will not be broken on the beginning of the week, then probably the euro will make another short move. But if it will be broken, then we are up again. Alright, follow it. As for now, don't touch it. It's not clear, and there are divergences on short terms. Don't clear, don't touch it. British pound, the same situation, doesn't seem to be clear, and it's potential bearish divergence on 4-hour chart. I would look to sell the British pound if it stop again on this resistance line and complete a bearish divergence, right? And complete a bearish divergence, and from these levels, if it creates on 4-hour charts a bearish candle, I will go short and sell it. Alright, so that's all for this week, guys, and about the goal I talked about the previous week, I still don't have nothing to say. We will wait to see there what's going on, and it will take a while because it's a weekly chart. So to sum it up, pound Canadian, Canadian against the franc, dollar yen, dollar franc, look for opportunities. British pound, look to sell on 4-hour charts, as you saw right here, and the euro dollar. We sit on the fence right now, but you know what to do. If it break up during the beginning of the week, we will look for long opportunities. If it's not, we will look to sell. Alright, so I wish you a great week. Thank you very much for your time, and good luck with your trades. Vladimir here. Goodbye.